KimForest is a precision medicine biotech company located in Taiwan since 2004. We provide many companion diagnostics for cancer panel. During the COVID-19 pandemic outbreak, our company also provides high precision and high sensitivity detection kit for all over the world. Our research and development teams have invented a high precision and high specificity COVID-19 detection kit. This is a real-time PCR-based kit, and we are helping many hospitals all around the world to set up their COVID-19 laboratory tests. For KimForest SARS-CoV-2 Detection Kit based on real-time PCR, we have V1 and V2 version. The V1 kit is to detect RDRP gene target, and the V2 kit is to detect RDRP gene and N gene target. All are manufactured by GMP production ISO 13485. For the workflow of KimForest PCR detection solution, it only takes around 2 hours from sample collection to report output. This is a detection kit of high sensitive. We had validated our product's sensitivity by mapping with all those new COVID-19 sequence, and up to date, our products can detect all of it. Based on WHO and FDA regulation, our product have been validated and confirmed no cross-reaction with common respiratory flora and other pathogens. This is a highly specificity kit, and all of the controls for using in the experimental procedure are already included in these kits. The detection kit also comes with this computed automation report output system. It could help the user to analyze the raw data very quickly and the technician just to do double confirm then sign the report. The KimForest SARS-CoV-2 Detection Kit has been certified by many countries in the world, such as the United States FDA EUA IVD, CE Declaration of Conformity, Taiwan FDA, and also Philippine FDA. KimForest is the best precision medicine company in Taiwan. If you have any requests, please contact with us. Thank you.